Today we look at our departure list. We get to our departure list by clicking on the icon for our Dayview calendar in the menu. On the tab Departure, all our departures for the selected period are displayed right here, and each path has its entry. The column match code reg number shows us the guest name, the match code, and the registration number. By clicking on the guest's name, we can call up his or her reservation. The column path shows us the respective path of the reservation. The column room shows us the room booking of the guest. When more rooms have been booked, a plus sign appears behind the room number. By clicking on this field, the complete list of rooms can be displayed. If beds have been booked, we can further see the bed number next to the room number. With a click in the head of the column room, one room per row can be seen for reservations with multiple rooms. Subsequent guests have no background color. In the column check-in, we can mark whether a guest has already checked out or not. A red question mark appears if the guest has not departed in time, for example after 10 a.m., which is our checkout time set in the house database, and the later departure has not been entered in the reservation. The green or purple tick symbolizes a guest who has not checked out yet and has set the departure time later than our default checkout time of 10 a.m. A blue cross signifies that the guest has already checked out. When setting the checkout mark, the time of it is automatically recorded in the according fields of departure. The column bill shows us the billing status of the reservation. Red means the invoice is not billed yet, and green signifies all invoices for the reservation are billed. The column arrival shows us the arrival date and arrival time. Next to it, the column departure shows us the departure date and the departure time if predefined or set per checkout. Column nights presents the total number of nights. The following column, guests, shows us the number of guests of this path of the reservation. The column meals shows us the booked meal plan of the reservation. The memo field is the information field per path for special messages for the reception. We can edit it right here.